Hi guys, so it seems like a little bit since I have vlogged. Katie is not with me yet, but she's coming. We're just getting in the car. She has to renew her driver's license because she's 21 now, and I think that it expires. So she is coming, or I am taking her to get her license renewed. We're going to stop at Hobby Lobby. We're going to stop at the bank and Walgreens, and then we may also go eat some Mexican because it's been a while. I don't know what time she's eating. She has to be back around noon, I think she said, for her dad to come and get her, because she's not staying with him this break. She's just going to stay with me the whole time, but she's visiting him often. You know, she was with him on Christmas, and she's going to spend with him today, and hopefully Alex is too. And yeah, today is her kind of. Her dad isn't married to his girlfriend, but it's her daughter's birthday. So they are doing that. And I think they're going to make some sushi, which will be fun. And here she is. Yay! Hi! So we're going to go ahead and start our day. I just wanted to say hello.
Hey guys, so we just got back from Hobby Lobby, and Mom got this velvet yarn. She's not sure what she's gonna do with it yet, but she got these 3 colors. Really, really soft and nice. And she got me one, and I wanted the purple one. So yeah, and I'm thinking I'm gonna make this for one of my teachers, and I'm gonna do like a headband thing. That would be really cute. But, so I'm gonna be, I'm not buckled. So I'm gonna be a teacher, and for my students, I was thinking of making them all scarves, but then I thought that might be too much. So instead, I'm gonna do the headband thing, and it's just gonna go like that, like around your ears. Because I remember being a little kid, and I didn't want to wear a hat, and I didn't want to wear a scarf at recess because it got everywhere. So the headband thing's perfect because my ears were always cold. And this is the first one I'm gonna make, and it's like confetti cake, it looks like to me.
So cute.
So I'm super excited about it.
They'll look like a snack.
Yeah.
Like for real. You look like confetti cake.
So yeah.
Yay!
We didn't go to Starbucks because the line was ridiculously long, Mom said.
It was around the building. So we're headed to our favorite Mexican joint, fondly known as the Road.
Right. El Rodeo.
That's
and
right.
I went to the B&B, and they were so fast.
Yeah.
They were so fast. I went in there, I got my ticket, I hardly even sat down. They were like 101, and that was me. And I got up and I went up there, and it was just like super fast. It's like, and I'm like, yep, go right up. And I was done. Crazy.
So now her license isn't sideways.
Oh yeah. That's right.
And are they good for 4 years or how long?
I don't know. We don't know.
Interesting. So that's what we're doing. We're heading to Mexican, and then Katie's gonna go with her dad for her sister's birthday, and then
I need to read more of my book for school.
and I need to knit.
Yeah. And I'm knitting my boyfriend's dad's scarf right now. I knitted the mom, and I'm doing the dad. I did the mom like a turquoise kind of color because she wears a lot of that. And then I knitted the dad like navy blue and gray. So I did like navy blue at the ends, and then gray throughout, and then navy blue.
It's very pretty.
I don't know if I like it very much actually.
Oh, I like it.
That's good. And I knitted David a white scarf.
That's very David.
I know. So, yep, that's it.
He wears white shoes. I mean, like a lot.
Yeah.
Even when it's raining.
Yeah.
Silly goose.
Yeah, he likes his white shoes. and white pants.
Yes.
He likes white everything. He likes white and black.
And with a wardrobe like that, everything matches.
Exactly. Don't think about it.
It's true.
Do you know why all those hoods on the cars are up?
So you can see the engine, I guess.
But it's raining. Is that bad for it?
I wouldn't think it would be good for it, but I don't know. That's a car dealership. Do any of you guys know why they leave the windows or the hoods open? I would think it would just be so that they could see the engine, but like if there was a, and this is a really good time that people buy cars, I guess, because all the 2018s are going out and the 2019s are coming in, so they try to get rid of the 2018s. So.
Hey.
Yeah, we wouldn't be getting a 2018 for you.
No.
Or a 2019, unless it was 2025.
Better than 2002. Or
That's
anything
true.
is better than 2002.
No, not anything. But I know what you mean. All right, well, we're going to let you go so we can get our grub on. Bye.